So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel SAB Vlogs. How you all are doing? Hope all of us are doing extremely very well. So let's try to breaking the myths of vaccination. यानी कि वैक्सीनेशन के बारे में व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा इतने सारे मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग अभी फैले हुए उसको हम लोग को मिटाना है. वॅक्सिनेशनबद्दल समाजात तेवढे गैरसमज आहेत ते आम्ही या व्हिडिओमध्ये तोडणार आहोत. So let's try breaking the myth. So my first question goes to Kirki. What's the difference between corona and COVID-19?
The thing is, corona is a virus. Okay, the another name for corona is SARS-CoV-2. Now this SARS, there are different family of viruses. So this specific corona belongs to the family of SARS. Okay, उसमें से ये कोरोना का टाइप 2 वेरिएंट है. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे कोविड-19 ह्याचा अर्थ म्हणजे को stands for corona, V stands for virus, D stands for disease, and 19 that stands for the disease started in 2019. Coronavirus is the virus and COVID-19 is the disease caused because of the same virus.
वैक्सीन ये दवाई है क्या?
सबसे पहले तो देखते हैं कि वैक्सीन बनता कैसे है. अभी सबसे पहले कोरोना वायरस होता है. ये कोरोना वायरस में अलग अलग टाइप ऑफ प्रोटीन्स प्रेजेंट है which we can very commonly call them as components. These components are removed. Okay, these components are isolated from coronavirus and then these components are checked. They are given to animals जिसे हम लोग प्री क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स बोलते हैं. So माउस को दिया जाता है, मंकीज को दिया जाता है, फिर क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स चालू होते हैं जहाँ पे ह्यूमन ट्रायल्स होते हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू हाउ इट वर्क्स. So we have a vaccine. Okay, now in vaccine we have protein. The vaccine is trying to kill the protein and our immunity is getting triggered because of it. Our antibodies are getting made.
Okay.
In the same way, when the virus is going to come, when we will have a viral contact, our body is going to fight against the virus.
So my next question goes to Saili. Which vaccine is better in India?
So ये most Google question है.
Actually most Google question है.
Actually this is the most Google question. So आपने अभी सुना रहेगा कि ये वैक्सीन का एफिकेसी इतना है और ये वैक्सीन का एफिकेसी इतना है. कोविशील्ड का बोलने जाए तो एफिकेसी 70%, कोवैक्सीन का एफिकेसी इज 90%. So I think कोवैक्सीन इज बेटर. नहीं, रुको, मैं बताती हूँ आपको. So basically
now first let's understand what does this efficacy means. These are the efficacy rates of different vaccines. Now if you look at these numbers, it's natural to think that these vaccines are better and these are not. But that assumption is wrong. These numbers are flawed and not even important measures of how effective these vaccines are. Now understand, a vaccine's efficacy rate is calculated in large clinical trials where the vaccine is tested on thousands of people. Now these people are broken into two groups. Half of them gets vaccine and half gets placebo. Then they are sent out to live their lives and are monitored by the scientist. Now let's assume the clinical trials of vaccine A. Now in this clinical trials, for example, 40,000 people were participated, out of which 170 people got infected. And now how those people fall into these two categories, that is the vaccinated category and the placebo category, determines a vaccine's efficacy. If suppose 170 people who were infected were evenly split, that means 85 people got placebo and 85 were vaccinated. But these 85 which were vaccinated got sick after vaccination. That means you are just as likely to get sick with vaccine or without vaccine. So your efficacy rate is 0%. If instead these 170 people were in the placebo group and 0 people would have been infected after the vaccination, then the vaccine's efficacy is 100%. Now in this trial, 162 were in the placebo group and 8 were in the vaccinated group. That means the efficacy rate of this vaccine is 95%. Now this 95% of the population is vaccinated and is less likely to fall sick than the people who are not vaccinated. Now every vaccine's efficacy rate is calculated in the similar way. But here's the catch point. Each vaccine trial might be done in very different circumstances. Now for example, let's consider this chart in which there are two vaccines, vaccine A and vaccine B. Now for vaccine A, the trials were conducted when the cases were low. The trials were conducted in US and the strains in the US were different. For vaccine B, the trials were conducted when the cases were high and they were conducted in Brazil. This means that for vaccine B, there are more opportunities for the participant to be exposed of the infection. Right now here the efficacy rate of both the vaccines are different. Now this means that you cannot say the efficacy rate can be the significant measure. Now again, if you will go and look at the previous numbers of the different vaccines, there is a difference between the numbers. Now these difference can be due to the timing and the circumstances in which the trials have been performed. So that means that you should not go for the efficacy rate, but you should see the effectiveness of the vaccine. For all the vaccines, the effectiveness is 100%.
So now, according to the efficacy, we should go for the effectiveness of the vaccine. Okay. So what does this mean is, we should take whichever vaccine is available to us. We should not wait for the better vaccine to come. Our major aim is to stop the spread of infection and not to end up in the hospital.
ये तो था वैक्सीन के बारे में, यानी कि इंडिया में कौन सा वैक्सीन अवेलेबल है?
तो फिलहाल इंडिया में 3 वैक्सीन अवेलेबल है। एक है कोवैक्सीन जो भारत बायोटेक ने बनाया है ICMR के साथ। दूसरा वैक्सीन जो है वो है कोविशील्ड जो सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट एंड ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी ने बनाया है,
पुणे वाला।
और तीसरा जो वैक्सीन है वो है स्पुतनिक। स्पुतनिक वैक्सीन इज मेड फ्रॉम रशिया, फ्रॉम मॉस्को यूनिवर्सिटी, एंड बोथ कोविशील्ड वैक्सीन एंड स्पुतनिक दे आर रिकॉम्बिनेंट वैक्सीन्स। ओके, उसमें प्रोटीन्स जो मैंने पहले बताया था उसका रिकॉम्बिनेशन होके वो वैक्सीन बना रहे हैं। वेरस कोवैक्सीन उसमें इनएक्टिव वैक्सीन है। कोरोना
वायरस से वैक्सीन बना,
पूरा कोरोना वायरस है उसे इनएक्टिव किया है और फिर उससे वैक्सीन बनाया है। ऐसे 3 वैक्सीन अवेलेबल है। नाउ कोवैक्सीन एंड कोविशील्ड के दोनों भी डोसेस दे आर सिमिलर, उनके फॉर्मुलेशंस आर सिमिलर, बट मेक श्योर स्पुतनिक के दोनों भी डोसेस दे आर कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट, उनके कंपोजिशंस ही अलग है। सो बी इट एनी वैक्सीन यू आर टेकिंग, मेक श्योर यू ऑलवेज कंप्लीट बोथ द डोसेज।
ओके, ये था वैक्सीनेशन के बारे में। अभी मुझे ये कहना है कि वैक्सीन के 2 डोज होते हैं, तो वो 2 डोज में डोसेज का कितना होना चाहिए बेसिकली फर्स्ट और सेकंड डोज में?
ओके, सो पहले आपको सबको पता है इन इंडिया फर्स्ट द डोसेज गैप वाज 4 वीक्स टू 8 वीक्स एंड नाउ इट हैज चेंज्ड टू 4 वीक्स टू 12 वीक्स। बट ओवर हियर आप अगर देखने जाए इंडिया के कंसर्न्स बढ़ रहे हैं रिलेटेड टू वैक्सीन्स। सो इन इंडिया द कंसर्न विच इज देयर इज द शॉर्टेज ऑफ वैक्सीन, बट इम्यूनोलॉजिस्ट रथ said that he said vaccines are flexible. What does this means? Vaccines are flexible माने आप vaccines 4 वीक्स के बाद सेकेंड डोज जो रहता है वो कभी भी ले सकते हो। वो जो टाइम स्पैन रहता है 4 वीक्स से 6 मंथ्स के बीच में आप कभी भी वो वैक्सीन ले सकते हो। यू शुड नॉट एक्सीड 6 months, but before 6 months or after 4 weeks you can take the vaccines whenever is practicably possible. Okay.